Kia ora, I'm Nick, and I'm a game designer working for a game development studio. As a game designer, I work with programmers, artists, and other developers to create video games. A game designer focuses on defining the rules of the game, as well as making things fun for players. For instance, on a racing game, a game designer would define the track layouts, as well as the speed and handling of the cars. What I do in my day depends a lot on how far the game project has progressed. Early on, I do a lot of designs on paper, as well as prototype features. Then I collaborate with other departments to create content, and eventually I test, iterate, and balance together. There are lots of things I love about being a game designer. First of all, it's amazing to be able to work on video games. I also find solving design problems interesting, and there's a lot of variety in the job, as each project can be very different from the last. After I finished high school, I went on to do an undergraduate degree majoring in game design. After that, I did freelance work for a while before releasing my own game, and after that, worked on a few projects as a professional. The biggest challenge I faced was getting my foot in the door. There are a lot of people wanting to become game designers and not that many positions. To make myself employable, I developed and released a game. The game engine is the most important piece of software in game development. That's where everyone's work comes together, and it's often the game designer's job to make sure that it all works together. I also use a lot of Office programs as they make it easy to organize a large amount of information. So I've had a few people say that the movement speed's a little slow, so I'm going to go ahead and make that change and just see how it plays. These sorts of small changes and adjustments are a big part of designers every day, as you're always trying to get the perfect gameplay, always trying to get things just as good as they can be. Let's see how that plays. Yep, that's much better. If I could give one piece of advice, it would be to focus on your communication skills. It's really important to speak clearly and concisely, as well as persuasively. It's also important to listen well, read between the lines, and take feedback well.